Welcome everyone in today's video of Quick Guide.
Hey there, HR professionals. Are you looking for the video to how to log in to the Amplify HR website? Just watch this complete tutorial video in order to get logged in. First, go to the search bar of Google and search for Amplify HR login. Here, you'll see many search results. Just go down and click on this Login Amplify link. You'll be redirected to the login page of this website. As you can see, there is a login form where you have to fill the email. Let me fill the email as tempuser@gmail.com and simply click on this next button. Now you have to fill the password of the account. Make sure your password is of yours account and it is correct. If you have forgotten it, you can click on this forgot password and simply click on this login button. And if all the credentials are correct, you'll be logged in this Amplify website. If you find our content helpful, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.